I partnered up with the brands I'm about to talk about because one of my go-to skincare brands is Era Organics. I have used many of their products, and for someone with sensitive skin like me, it's been great for me. The Revive Plus in particular is made with Manuka honey, and we know how many great benefits that has. This is a scrub that you would put on your face as a mask or use it as a scrub at night. This also helps with removing blackheads. But let's talk about a combo that works well together. About 2 to 3 times a week, I will use this scrub, and this is how it spreads. It has that exfoliating feel to it. I'll let that sit on my face for about 10 minutes while I get ready for bed, and then I'll wash it off, and you can even just see on my hands that it leaves it smooth and clean. This sets the stage for my skin the next morning. When I wake up before I put on my makeup, I will use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer as my sunscreen application on my face in the morning. This is meant for people with sensitive skin like me. But take a look at this. When I put this on, you'll notice that it doesn't have that white dewy film that sunscreens usually have. It spreads on your skin with a more shiny, glossy look. Then when I apply my foundation on top, I really feel a layer of protection on my face without a dewy look. These two products are a good combo, and for me, they have been working really well together.